Okay, this train station a little on the high-tech side though. Like, it'll line up here, and then these doors will open, and then we got some little commercials and such. Wamata, step it up. We about to take this train, the BTS. Hopefully we get there. We are about to take the train. We have no idea what we're doing. We don't really know where we're going. Well, I mean, we know the station we're supposed to go to, but we gonna see. We went straight to the ticket office, and I was like, I showed Shorty the little, because I've been using Google Translate, so I have it, it says in English, and then I also translate it into Thai. And so I showed it to her. I was like, we want to go here. And then she was like, okay. She told us the price, and then I was like, where do we go next? And she was like, she told us what to do a little bit. So, you know, we made it this far. So things here, luckily the signs are in Thai and also English. So shout out to that. Our hotel has like a free shuttle and a free tuk-tuk. And when I was doing my research on like different hotels to stay in, a majority of them that I saw have some kind of free shuttle, free tuk-tuk service. So if you're down to get on public transportation, it might be worth it for you to, you know, find out when you get to the hotel how often they run, where they take you, and then you can plan your trips around that. We got off on this side, and then literally, because we have to switch to a different line, and so I don't know if you guys can see the sign here, but we're just, the Siloam line is on this next side. We just missed it, but I think they come every 4 minutes. So, and then we just have 3 stops until we get to where we're supposed to go. So of course we took the wrong train, and now we gotta go back. My tips for taking the train in a foreign country when you haven't done any research is 1, Google Maps will get you together, because it told us like exactly what to do. You might still mess it up a little bit as we did, but here we are. Also, tip number 2, do not be afraid to ask somebody, because I done asked multiple people. I showed them the little translator joint, and I was like, here's where we're going, and they're like, oh yeah, do this. So yeah, we messed it up because we were on the right line, we were just going in the wrong direction, but now we here. We are real metropolitan girls, okay? We done took the train by ourselves with the help of several people, but we did it on our own, and you know, we found our group, and now we about to hit this cooking class.
And we only got those like,
look at us.